everyone, I am Liana and welcome back to our technique series that today we're gonna start a new one. We're gonna call it the ultimate technique drills. Alright, so if you did not watch the other, if you're new to the channel and you did not watch the other ones, I did 3-4 series with the patterns in Hannon, fingers exercises, and you're gonna find the link below. In this series, I'm gonna take one by one each Hannon at a time and play it in different way and show you how fun it is to practice Hannon. For me, Hannon is like a cardio. You go to gym and you don't necessarily need to actually learn how to walk, but you need to be fit. So this is what Hannon's means for me. This is what these fingers means for me. And I would recommend to anyone to go, if you are a beginner, about 5-7 minutes a day. Or if you are an intermediate, definitely 10-12 minutes. If you are an advanced, definitely 15 minutes, every day, a little drill. It will not harm you. It will make your fingers stronger, and more agility and speed will come all along with these fun exercises. Initially, if they look boring, they're not. Believe me, they're not if you know how to do it. So that's why I created this series. You will have it many example in how to practice. So as I said before, I'm gonna take one by one and play it in different ways. That doesn't mean if you are like on number 3 to not practice how I said in number 2, or if you are number 10 and to not practice number 1 or number 3 the same as I'm doing it in number 10. So I'm gonna do this to not be boring and say and get one pattern through 10 or 20 ways that I'm planning to do it right now. So let's get started and let's get fit and let's have fun with Hannon. Thank you. Hello everyone, and here we are on the part 7 on our mini series on ultimate practice of finger drills and extending, your knowledge and your ways how to gain more virtuosity, agility, independence, evenness in the fingers. And here that we're talking today about mostly evenness in the fingers is not necessarily evenness as the rhythm. It's evenness the sound, to not be one finger softer than the other one. When I'm talking evenness in the fingers, I'm talking in different ways, it's about the sound to be each, not this one to be softer and then this one louder and then this softer, So evenness in the fingers and evenness with the rhythm and tapping. But right now we are to part 7, as I said, and we're starting with number 21. Okay, so today we're gonna do dynamics, right, on this one. All right, so you can learn on this one very easily how to do dynamics and practice that, because going louder or softer, it is an art. It just doesn't come out of nowhere, gradually to really go louder and gradually, so again, gradually go softer, not from forte and then you drop it to piano, right? So in this video, we will try to do a crescendo and decrescendo, or a crescendo and diminuendo. I'm talking decrescendo or diminuendo is the same thing for me. So in this number 21, I'm starting piano and go louder and softer, and you go again and you do crescendo and decrescendo, piano and mezzo forte, go forte and mezzo forte piano. And go. So, you got the point, right? So so definitely you can do this crescendo decrescendo on different patterns, as I said before. It's good to do it on part 2 of the Hanon, meaning from number 21 up, 22, 23 up to 31. Why? Because the patterns are longer, so you have time for a bigger crescendo or diminuendo as well. Another little thing I would, this is not for speed again, so this practice is for actually acquiring the art of playing the piano and controlling the sound. I would definitely encourage you to do it slow, this exercise, okay? So I'm going slow, softer, and increasing the, and back again. So pay attention to the sound, and more, and softer you go down. Okay, on the way back, because it has a different pattern, I will start from loud to soft and then loud back, okay? So I will start in forte and to the piano, and crescendo as well, and piano, how piano can you go, and more, and forte, and piano, very piano, and go more, forte, and piano, and more crescendo. You got the point. Obviously, you can do as well opposite, starting piano and crescendo, forte and piano, forte and piano. Oh, opposite. I got mixed up. So piano, crescendo, forte in the middle, and piano back, right? So you can do any way you would like to do it, right? I'm gonna go, if you wanna, 22, 23, I can give you an example, same thing here, piano, crescendo, and decrescendo. And more, and back to the piano. How much piano can you play? And forte, right? If you will take, depends on the musicality of the patterns, because I would still go with the musicality. Like I just opened number 15. Number 15 is just going up and up and up. So the pattern is this one. So being like that, the pattern, if I want to just practice the crescendo and decrescendo on this pattern, I will start slow and just go as loud as I could, like piano and crescendo. So you gotta do your own drills. Again, and then when you go down, so this is number 15. I just opened the book just to create a new way of doing it, right? Like if I would do number 12, that is for number, I will start in forte and then I will do diminuendo. And forte, and then you go piano, and more, and or you can do waves as well, like, and then another bit of crescendo, and then forte, piano, and crescendo again, and crescendo again. pattern can be, like number 4. I will give another example. So you can go piano, crescendo, and go back. Piano, crescendo, and go back. And, right, you see, depends, right? So this is mostly for the art of playing the piano. It's an art to play and do the dynamics in a piece, and that needs to be practiced to really control the sound as well. So that's the purpose of this mini series, of this number 7, ongoing, different ways, different crescendo, different decrescendo. You can do it whatever and however you feel to do it. I'm gonna go one more example. I'm almost overdoing it, over delivering, so like this one is definitely crescendo. I'm just open the book, number 22. I'm playing piano, crescendo, back to decrescendo. This work is mostly for intermediate students, but why not? As a beginner, you can go number 1 or number 2 and just have fun, play with it, and be creative and go for it, okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you in number 8, okay? More ways to do Hannon. Yay! Good. Thank you, and don't forget, like, subscribe, bell button, all, and no ads whatsoever, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months, and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a range variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hannon. I'm gonna have an entire series, like 30-40 videos just on technique way, how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon is a page, you will find the link below, in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me, one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.